Welcome back to Speak English 100K channel. In this video we are going to talk about daily routine and whatever we do every day. It starts from waking up until we go back to sleep at night. So let's see how we can say our daily routine works. Just stay with us and learn it. Then you can talk about your daily routine easily. Let's start our today's lesson.
I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. I make my bed. I make my bed. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the window. I open the window. I close the window. I close the window. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning. I fluff the pillow. I fluff the pillow. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I move a chair. I move a chair. I dust the table. I dust the table. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.
Now let's have some tests. How much have you learned from this lesson? Please keep focused. Select the right answers from these sentences. I am A. Picking up my phone. B. Turning off the light. C. Taking off my jacket. She, A. Wears her jacket. B. Takes off her jacket. C. Turns off the light. I, A. Look at you. B. Look at the mirror. C. Look at a cat. I. A. Comb my hair. B. Play with my hair. C. Cut my hair. Correct and false sentences. Look at the pictures and put tick mark in front of correct and cross mark in front of wrong sentences. I comb my hair. Look at the picture and answer, is it a correct or it's a wrong sentence? 1. It's right. 2. No, it's wrong. I make my bed. Is it right, or it's a wrong sentence? I feel tired. A. It is a right sentence. B. No, it is a wrong sentence. I wear my glasses. A. It is a right sentence. B. No, it is a wrong sentence. As we see in the picture, A is right. Put the correct words in the blanks. I wear 1. My shoes. 2. My glasses. 3. My coat. As we see in the picture, 2 is right. I wear my glasses. I blanks myself with blanket. 1. I show myself with blanket. 2. I cover myself with blanket. 3. I look myself with blanket. I feel blanks. 1. I feel sleepy. 2. I feel hungry. 3. I feel angry. I get out of my blanks. A. I get out of my room. B. I get out of my bed. C. I get out of my class. I close the blanks. A. I close the door. B. I close the window. C. I close the classroom. I blanks my clothes. A. I wash my clothes. B. I dry my clothes. C. I hung my clothes. I charge my blanks. A. I charge my tablet. B. I charge my laptop. C. I charge my phone. I blanks my bag. A. I throw my bag. B. I wash my bag. C. I pack my bag. As we can see in the picture, C is correct. I pack my bag. Thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you have learned something from this video. I need your support. Please like, share and subscribe these Peak English 100K channel. See you guys in next video. Good luck. Bye.